We will go to a child pose first, yeah? Now, you have the hips a little bit more open now, yeah? So try to go as much as you can with your bum toward your feet, yeah? Open the knees. If you feel it's too much with the knees, remember you can lie down on the bolster, yeah? So open your chest. We want a nice open position here. And again, start with your belly, like going between the legs, and then your solar plexus. So as you go into the bolster, don't go rounding. Check if you can open like we did when we were sitting. Open your belly, open your solar plexus, open your chest. And then the last is your head to one side, yeah? Remember that if you notice that the pillow is too low, you put something extra for your head, yeah? And we turn toward one side, roll the shoulders, soften, and using the same idea of the breathe out, surrendering toward the bolster, relaxing shoulder blades, breathing deeply, surrender. Imagine your sacred place here. Mix it, make it one with your cocoon. Soften your body into that safe place. And as you release, as you start to feel more comfortable in the position, imagine that you can let go all the worries, cares, and concerns, all the fears, anything and everything that is bothering you on the emotional aspect and on your physical body. Imagine that you let it go to the pillow, to the bolster, to the floor, to the roots. And imagine that each breath out is make you like empty. Yeah, that you are empty your body from the tiredness, any pain, any discomfort, and you are empty your mind. Just imagine each breath out is going all the way down to the floor, to the roots. And let the planet take care of that. Yeah? Just like you take a little break. Even if after you have to pick it up, now you take a break, a deep, big break, and just let go. Keep imagining receiving when you breathe in that energy from the planet, pure and touch, energy of replenishing, recharging, regenerating energy that is filling every spot that you are emptying. So you are letting go the old energy, the energy that is stuck in your body, the emotions that are stuck in our emotional body, and we are receiving new energy, fresh. And as you keep doing this, we will rotate slowly your head to the other side. So we balance the neck. Remember at the beginning it could feel uncomfortable. That's okay. Just allow again your body to adapt and to keep releasing, keep relaxing. Each breath out, you let go. Each breath in, you are receiving. Good. Now slowly ground your hands on the floor and really gentle and soft. We lifting the chest from the bolster or the pillow. Yeah. So now we will keep the position, okay? And what we will try to do is to go to a really soft pigeon pose from here. So we keep the bolster in the same position, the pillows there, yeah? And we will sit with one leg, yeah? And we will try to go back with the other leg, okay? Now, if this is too uncomfortable, you sit over the leg, okay? You can sit over the leg, bending the other leg, and just stay in this position, okay? If you can, you will work the same, yeah? We are working hips in both positions, so could be or this position or more over the leg, and we try to relax on the pillows, yeah? Again, if you need, you can put extra pillows or blocks to make it more comfy for your head, yeah? And we stay just a little, just to start to warm up to the idea of the pigeon pose. Yeah, we will work it for a few classes. Yeah, so we will stay just a little bit because we just starting to get back into classes. Yeah, so shoulders away. The same idea of the child pose, relaxing. If at any point it's too much for the knee, you come back and you sit over both legs. Yeah, okay. Don't suffer. Sitting is also works. Okay. So we stay a little bit more, a few breaths more in this position or on the pigeon pose. Okay. If you are on the pigeon pose, try to open and spread your chest on the pillows. Yeah. And we take a couple of breaths more. And then slowly coming back. Yeah. So we will come back to child pose. Yeah. But to sitting like a child pose. And we will go with the other leg. Yeah. So again, nice and gentle, we move this knee like beside the bolster or the pillow. And we bring the other leg back. Okay. So if you can in this position, you go again toward the bolster and you relax. If it's too much, you sit over your thigh, on your thigh. Yeah. You sit on the thigh and the other leg bending a little bit behind you. And you relax there. Yeah. Okay. So both positions are okay. Yeah? It's not one better than the other. It's where we are today. Okay. So you check wherever you can. If you are in pigeon pose, try to relax over the bolster. Make it comfortable for your head. And try to soften. No forcing, okay? No forcing. Remember, when we work with the hips and lower back, we are working especially on the emotional body. And we are releasing, yeah, all the emotions that are not, that we want to release, yeah? Creating a space for new energy to come up, to allow to increase our creativity and our positive emotions, yeah? Soften shoulders, soften belly, soften chest. Keep imagining again the sacred place, the cocoon all around you. You are always in a safe place here. Well done. And then coming back. Very nice. Good. So we will sit. We will keep the bolster here, or the pillows. Just one extra cushion or block here. Okay. Cool. So relax your legs. Yeah. Cool. And we will turn around. We will lie down on the bolster as always. But we will keep the legs, if it's possible, we will keep the legs open, yeah, with your feet together. And in this position, if you feel uncomfortable, we will put extra blocks or pillows or blankets beneath your thighs, yeah, to make it a little bit more comfortable. If you are comfy without, go ahead, yeah. So you ground the hips again, like we did on the sitting position, yeah? And then start to relax, but nice and long, yeah? So as you go into the bolster or the pillows, check that your spine is nice and long. Not forcing, just try to spread it. And open the arms, but check if you can roll the shoulders away here. So the hands are facing up, the palms of the hands are facing up here. Check that you are comfortable on the lower back. Yes? So before you relax, as much comfortable as you can. Nice and expanding, but comfortable. Try to stay with the inner thighs this way as much as you can. But again, not to a point that is painful. Yeah? And whenever you need to release it, just extend the legs or bend the legs. But if you can stay a little bit longer here. And now, in this position is more the idea of receiving, yeah, to be receptive. That's why we open the legs. We are still working on the emotional body. The gesture of the open legs is like a receiving, allowing to receive. And you have all the spine supported. Your chest is nice and big open here. So it's all, your arms are nice and open. So it's all about allowing. It's all about receiving. So imagine here, still in that beautiful sacred place, safe place, your cocoon, receiving anything that you need in this present moment, or just a general idea of receiving a beautiful energy of any kind, of every kind of energy that you need. And just allow, yeah, allow yourself to receive. Imagine that you receive the energy for your physical body in all those spots that you need the most. And you receive energy for your heart, for your mind. And imagine that you receive everything that you need. Yeah, imagine that this is it's like a calling to a big kitchen restaurant that you order everything that you want to eat, energetically speaking. Imagine that you are placing your order now and you are receiving. You place your order and then you trust that the waiter will bring what you ordered. So imagine something like that. Just allow yourself there to receive, knowing that you are safe. If you want to give the color to this work, remember orange is the color of the emotional body, and yellow is the color of energy, joy. And you can transform your yellow in gold, and that's the color of abundance and receiving. So imagine a beautiful gold cocoon around you as a gesture, as a commanding that everything that you need is coming your way easily and effortlessly right now. Good. And then really gentle, we will move slowly to close your legs. Put your feet on the ground. We can move slowly your arms and expand your arms. And we will roll toward one side. Yeah, bending your legs, putting your thighs, putting your arms. Stopping for a moment in a position nice and roundy. And we will go to a sitting position.